In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide data in a cell in Microsoft Excel. This is perfect when you want to keep a worksheet clean or prevent casual viewers from seeing helper values while still letting Excel use those values in formulas and calculations. Just a quick note before we begin. This technique hides the display of the data. It doesn't secure it. If you truly need protection, consider Excel's protection features separately. Here, we're focusing on a quick and reversible formatting trick. Start by selecting the cell that holds the value you want to hide. You can apply this to a single cell or a whole range, but we'll demonstrate with one cell to keep it simple. With the cell selected, press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. On Windows, that's Ctrl+1. On a Mac, it's Command+1. This opens the Format Cells dialog, which is where Excel controls how values are displayed. In the Format Cells window, make sure you're on the Number tab, then choose Custom from the list on the left. You'll see a box labeled Type. Click into that box and type 3 semicolons with no spaces. That's 3 semicolons in a row. This is a special custom number format in Excel. Behind the scenes, Excel's custom formats can specify how to show positive numbers, negative numbers, zeros, and text, in that order, separated by semicolons. By entering 3 semicolons with nothing between them, you're telling Excel to show nothing for any of those categories. In other words, the value remains in the cell, but Excel displays a blank. Once you've typed "sign," click OK to apply the format. The cell will appear empty, but the data is still there. If you click the cell, you'll see the real value in the formula bar at the top. Any formulas that reference this cell will continue to work. Sorting and filtering will still use the actual value, and printing will also show it as blank. A couple of helpful tips as you use this. If you copy that cell and paste it elsewhere, Excel will paste the underlying value, not a blank, so be mindful when sharing data. Also, search tools can still find hidden text or numbers because the content is still present. If you ever want to unhide the value, return to the same Format Cells dialog and switch the format back to General, or delete the custom formatting code. And that's it. Select the cell, open Format Cells, choose Custom, type 3 semicolons, and confirm. It's a fast, clean way to hide values without disrupting your worksheet's logic.